The crested serpent eagle is a rare and large bird of prey, also known as the snake eagle. Measuring about 70 centimeters in length, it inhabits dense mountain forests year-round and specializes in hunting snakes. This solitary raptor soars and circles high in the sky, often perching atop tall trees when at rest. With exceptional eyesight and speed, it swiftly descends upon spotted snakes, grasping them firmly with powerful talons, using its sharp beak. It first pecks at the snake's head until the prey is weakened and defenseless before consuming it. Widely distributed across many Chinese provinces, the crested serpent eagle was listed as a Class II protected species in China's National Key Protected Wildlife List in 2021